Hey guys, it's Freddie with Infinite Tech Services, and this is just a quick tip on how to terminate CAT6 or Ethernet cable.
I'll come back in 5 minutes to call my mom.
Okay.
Well, you should tilt the left side, JC. Oh, I see. Seems like it's going.
Oh yeah, huh?
So hopefully it goes somewhere where I can reach it. Don't have to go all the way in.
Okay. Safety first.
Yeah, let's give it a better grip.
You see it?
Oh yeah. So you can see there's our glow rod. So I just gotta go in and reach it. And that avoids me from going into the attic. But we still gotta wear a mask. So yeah, I mean these help tremendously, especially if you're running wire in a long attic. You get these fish from one side to the other side. You don't have to go all the way in.
These glow rods.
You always want to be super careful in the attic. I think out of all the years I've been doing this, I've stuck my foot through a kitchen one time. Never did again.
And also these roofs have nails coming from the top, so watch your head right above your head.
Oh, you can see my beanie.
Yeah.
It's kind of poked.
Yeah, you gotta be
from all the
careful.
nails.
Yeah, it's
So, yeah.
just right up
Right
there.
here. I've got my back scratch with these.
Hey guys, it's Freddie with Infinite Tech Services, and this is just a quick tip on how to terminate CAT6 or Ethernet cable.
What you cut off?
The insulation. So we start with white, orange, white, green, blue, and then the brown. So essentially that's the pattern they're gonna go in with the little couple cables. The green one's just gonna split from here to have one here. You'll see what I'm talking about right now. So we'll start off with the orange one. You untwist the pair. The white, orange on the edge. Right. And the green one. Super simple, check it out. So the white orange, it's stripe, solid, stripe, solid, stripe, solid. But we're gonna put the blue one. So we just put the green one. And then the blue gets split. Doesn't get split. Scratch that. And then the brown. And then blue. So that's how we want to put them in the ice cube. Now we comb the wire to make sure we're back in order. White, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. A little massage. So now we gotta trim it. We're gonna use RG6. We're gonna use RJ45s with the pass-through fittings. So I put this.
You ever forget to put that on?
This snagless. Oh yeah, all the time. Check it again. Looks good still. So you hold it about there. And as you can kind of see here, it has a. You see the holes right there?
Mm-hmm.
So they're gonna pass through, yeah. So that's why you have to make sure you cut them flush, so they can all get in at the same time. And you gotta make sure you put the cables in that order with this little flap down. That way you kind of see the cables. If you're doing it like this, you're doing it wrong. Be backwards. Or the other end should be like that too, if you're gonna do it that way. And they come in. So we make sure we cinch them all the way. So you can see right there. Cable goes all the way. And we'll have the links to these fittings that we use. White, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. So this is
8P.
8P and 6P. You see how this has, so that's going to cut all these off. So we go in there and insert it. Make sure it's in all the way. You hold it. There it is. Always collect your trash.
It's terminated.
So we're just gonna secure it to the wire that's already nailed into the wall. Just tiny little zip ties. One thing too with these zip ties, never cut them at an angle, because the next guy that comes in here, it's like a razor blade just waiting to cut somebody.
Yeah.
And this goes for every zip tie. I've had them in automotive, where they'll have them, they'll cut them, instead of cutting them flush, they'll cut them like this.
Oh, so like pointy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's...
So you get in there.
It's scraped.
So we got it all terminated on this side now. We're about to plug into the switch. So a screen frame from the tech.
Oh.
That's it. Cool.
Perfect.
Hey, how's it going? So this tool right here, Klein tool, it's a network tester. It tests phone wire, coax, and CAT6, CAT5. So this is a very important tool, handy tool. I used to not have it. Once I purchased it, I would test all my wires. It avoids me going back, trying to figure out which wires not terminated right, or if I had my tech terminate a wire and maybe he did something wrong. It just avoids a lot of hassle. It might take a little bit longer to test it, but at least you know for sure they're gonna pass and it's a good wire. So in this case, we're gonna test the line we ran to the switch. So for this, we can even put, so it comes with 8 of them. And then you have this as number 1. You can barely see it there. See it?
Mm-hmm.
So it has phone, Ethernet, and coax.
Okay.
So we're gonna go ahead and connect it here. We're gonna go to the other end with our tester and see if it passes. Let's go. So here we are at the other end. This is our cable that we terminated. We're gonna stick it in right in here. We're gonna hit the network. And it says it's passed. ID number 1, because we used the one with the receiver, and it tells you every single cable is terminated properly. Perfect. Cool. We also mount TVs. We do home automation, and also we do home theater as well.